Good afternoon. My name is Becky Whitwer, and I'm here today to tell you my daughter Grace's story. Grace was born March 10, 2014. She was healthy and beautiful. She came out a fighter. Little did I know she would be fighting for her life every single day. Grace had Dravet syndrome, a severe, catastrophic form of epilepsy. On July 18, 2014, Grace had her first of many seizures. Words cannot describe the feelings as you watch helplessly while your 4-month-old seizes uncontrollably. You can feel the anxiety from the EMTs as her lips turn blue from lack of oxygen, while they scramble to try to stop the seizure. Finally, after drilling a hole into her leg and pumping the baby's body full of enough medication to knock out a large adult, they can tell you they cannot give her any more medicine until they get to the hospital. Yet Gracie was still seizing. She seized all the way to the hospital. Her first seizure lasted a grueling 45 minutes. In a little over a year, Grace had 14 ambulance rides, all because of status seizures. Her seizures lasted anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour. She also began to have smaller daily seizures. The day after Mother's Day, we received the official diagnosis of Dravet syndrome. I immediately went home and began to research. My heart sank as I read the prognosis for these children is poor, and it affects every aspect of their everyday lives. I wanted more for my Gracie. I wanted her to play and be happy like her sisters. Then I came across information where children with Dravet were taking cannabis, and it was helping them. It was helping them without the harsh side effects of the drugs that Gracie was on. When I had to give her a rescue drug, the one that stops her seizures, she would scream uncontrollably all day. I could not console her. Even the hospital staff would come into the room while she was screaming and would talk about how awful it was watching these poor babies coming off the high of the rescue drugs. It is the worst feeling ever to watch your baby scream all day, and there is nothing you can do to fix it. We were waiting for the law to pass so we could try cannabis with Grace. We were very hopeful. Other states had passed the law, and parents said they saw significant improvement. We thought we would have time to try it. On November 11, 2015, Grace died of sudden unexplained death in MLS. She had just turned 20 months. My daughter died waiting for the cannabis law to be passed. I want to ask the legislators standing in the way of the compassionate bill, why wasn't she worth it? Why didn't she deserve a chance? How many children have to die? What about the other children who are still here fighting for their lives every day? Are you going to let the same thing happen to them? My baby is dead.